Today we're gonna make chicken curry in a hurry. So I grew up in South Africa and we have a lot of people from India. I had a lot of Indian friends and yeah, chicken curry is a staple, delicious food in Durban, especially in Durban, in KwaZulu-Natal. It's really good, chicken curry. So if you have not subscribed to our channel, we would really appreciate it. We are trying to grow our channel. We promote essentially organic and sustainable living. We are fighting for the health of the soil. A lot of agro companies are using a lot of trash in the soil. Chemical fertilizers, chemical insecticide, insecticides and pesticides, which is chemical. And it destroys a lot of insects and bees and the soil and cancer causing properties, so we just hate that stuff. We try to eat as organic as possible, so yeah, please support us, we really appreciate it. Thank you. Now I'm going to show you how to make this. I'm going to go pretty fast. So we have the different spices here. We have jeera powder, it's kind of brownish, cumin powder, we have these are cloves, this is cardamom, really good stuff, and this is just a general curry powder. And we're going to add a bit of coconut milk to this, half a tin. Once I fry, and by the way, we like the spring onion because it's easier to digest. You still have the properties of the onion, it's just that we find it, it's kind of a cheat, but we don't fry an onion, we just fry this with the spices. We still like it. And a lot of people have bloating, by the way, with onion. Not a lot, but there are quite a few people we've met who bloat with onion, so we decided to use this. This is easier to digest, so that's the reason we use this. Spring onion, we're also going to put some ginger. Once we put in the coconut milk and a bit of water, we'll put some fresh ginger, we'll just chop it up. And that's really good for digestion. And also gives it a great flavor. We have carrots, these are local tomatoes. You see they're all at different sizes. They don't look exactly the same like in a supermarket, like McDonald's French fries all look the same. And this is yellow pepper, so it's organic. We're just gonna put it in as well, which just adds a great flavor to everything. And then there's the chicken, which is antibiotic free. We buy it in the local butchery. This is free range. It can run around. It's not in a little cage, tormented for its whole life. So yeah, this is what we're going to make. We're going to cook the chicken curry in a pressure cooker. This is rubberless, so this lid actually goes in here and bends into the pot and it creates its own vacuum. So I bought this because I don't like the idea of rubber. This is just stainless steel pot. And it goes really quick. We save a lot of gas and time with this. It still tastes great. This is about 3 tablespoons of olive oil. We're going to cook the spring onion in there. I use the thicker part, the base. So we're just going to chuck this in here. And then I'm going to add the spices at the end. I know a lot of people put it at the beginning, but I don't want to fry the spices. I actually want the properties of the spices not to be destroyed by the hot oil. So we're just going to fry that up a bit. So I'm going to add the vegetables on top. Then tomatoes, which is also a vegetable. Maybe it's a fruit, who knows. Kind of grows in vines. So add the garlic, ginger. So add a bit of cardamom. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Go!
Cardamom, what did you say?
So it's curry powder. This is cloves. This is coriander powder. This is jeera powder. And then we're going to add our half a tin of coconut milk. About half. And water, about a cup of water, so half of this jar.
Look at that. Beautiful.
Delicious. A bit of Himalayan salt, just sprinkling it on. Maybe a third of a teaspoon. And people, you can add to your taste, of course, taste buds. Please let us know in the comment section how you make your curry. We would appreciate your comments. We could have added potatoes. Unfortunately, we ran out. Potatoes are a super great addition to this, but we're just going to have it with whole grain brown rice, which is really healthy. And this is the finished product, the curry in a hurry. We added a little bit of cornstarch. It did not thicken. As I said, we didn't add the potatoes. The potatoes usually absorb everything and thicken it up, but that was our compromise. So we just had to add a little bit of cornstarch. It still tastes super good. My wife is going to be the tester tonight.
Oops. Spilling.
That's okay. And you have to tell us how it tastes. Also the stove, we'll taste it a bit as well.
I don't want to get burned.
Okay, I don't think it's that hot anymore, but just try.
Really good. It's not salty, but I really like it like this. Yeah, it's rich. I would say. You can taste all the spices, like of course the curry, cardamom. Is it cardamom? Jeera, and
cloves.
Yeah. So yeah, I really like it.
And coriander. Powder, specifically. I'm glad you like it. Thank you for being our taster.
And
our Filipino taster.